In this video, we're going to look at YouTube Shorts Beta. YouTube has a new program called YouTube Shorts, 60-second or less videos on various topics, subjects for entertainment and gaining knowledge. So let's look at YouTube Shorts. To get to YouTube Shorts, first thing you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. And when you get to YouTube, you want to scroll down until you see the YouTube Shorts Beta shelf. On this shelf, you have various YouTube Shorts. You can scroll from left to right to see the various YouTube Shorts that are in the shelf. And to select a YouTube Short, you simply tap on it.
Right, guys, we're blocking in Woody's car, so he won't be
After
able
you
to get
tap
out.
on it,
my
if you
God,
wanted to scroll up or down to see more, you simply keep scrolling up
I want to show you the
or down to get various or different YouTube Shorts.
Okay.
If you want information about the YouTube Short itself, the presenter, any information, you tap the stats, and then you'll see various information will come up. Now, if you tap the ellipsis, then it will give you more information that you can look up. You can look up the description. You can look up whether or not there are captions. You can report the video. You can send feedback. If you want to give it a like, you tap the like. If you want to give it a dislike, you tap the dislike. If you want to comment, you tap on the comment, and now you can add your comment to the video. If you want to share this video, you simply tap the share, and then you can choose what application that you would like to share with. And finally, if you wanted to subscribe to the YouTube Short channel, you just tap on the subscribe button and you will be subscribed. So this has been a quick tutorial on how to use YouTube Shorts. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching the Boomer's Tech Show, and we will see you in our next video.